I love challenges. Let's mix this hip hop vocal, this trap vocal with ratio of 20 to 1. Yes. How could we mix this with this ratio? It is almost limiter. The ratio starts to sound like a limiter when you are higher than 12 to 1. And this is pretty high. So let's get started and only have the vocal channel, no reverb, no modulation, and no other things.
So I could be a man all night. I could put your dreams to the light. I can make the shit take flight. I can run your scheme for a price. I'ma mix the lean with the Sprite. Just tonight, where's that real shit? I arrive just in time. I could be a man.
It actually sounds good.
So I could be a man all night. I could put your dreams to the light. I can make the shit take flight. I can run your scheme for a price. I'ma mix the lean with the Sprite. Just tonight, where's that real shit? I arrive just in time.
It focuses on those high peaks and even those sibilances, harsh frequencies, and catches them. It's evening out the dynamic of the vocal. It's not sounding bad, and it's great.
So I could be a man all night. I could put your dreams to the light. I can make the shit take flight.
Man, I always forget which side is higher and which side is lower. As I mentioned in the video that I recorded for mixing and mastering this trap song, I have worked with a lot of LA2As, and it's not a plugin that I use daily or on each project. So I forgot this direction of high and low attack and release time.
So I could be a man all night. I could put your dreams.
So the left is slow.
So I could be a man all night. I could put your dreams to the light. I can make the shit take flight. I can run your scheme for a price. I'ma mix the lean with the Sprite. Just tonight, where's that real shit? So I could be a man all night. I could put your dreams to the light. I can make the shit take flight. I can run your scheme for a price. I'ma mix the lean with the Sprite. Just tonight, where's that real shit? I arrive.
Interesting. Now let's see if we destroyed the vocal or enhanced it.
So I could be a man all night. I could put your dreams to the light. I can make the shit take flight. So I could be a man all night. I could put your dreams to the light. I can make the shit take flight. I can run your scheme.
It's more constant and it's punchier. It was solid, but it's more solid and it sounds good. So you can even get a great quality, a great characteristic with high ratios on compressors that are famous to extremely fast attacks, with a little bit of creativity and intelligence that you will have both. Of course, when you are born, you have them both. If you are not using them, that's another problem. So let's add these other effects.
So I could be a man all night. I could put your dreams to the light. I can make the shit take flight. I can run your scheme for a price.
It feels like it's a little bit lower. Let's make it up. What?
So I could be a man all night. I can put your dreams to the light. I can make the shit take flight. I can run your scheme for a price. I'ma mix the lean with the.
So let's check in the whole song from another section.
Tired of these kids that think they have told you I'm a writer. Got it lit, don't need a lighter. Where I'm going, getting higher. I've been told you I'm a writer. Got it lit.
I told you it is a little bit quieter. I'm holding shift to not jump on a volume on a output value that I'm not interested in.
Told you I'm a writer, got it lit, don't need a lighter. Where I'm going, getting higher. I've been tired of that pussy shit. Like, tired of these kids that think they ever fit my shoes. You gonna lose. Summertime, flowers bloom. Yeah, my shit is hot as June. This pursuit, we gonna boom.
It needs to be a little bit louder.
I'ma mix the lean with the just tonight. Where's that real shit? I arrive just in time. It's all in touch. Just tonight. Where's that real shit? I arrive just in time. It's all in touch. The mic and it's sublime. These pussies lying when they rhyme, talking all this fucking crime. When they said you do a dime, you got to sing and Amy Wine. No, we aiming for the head and spine. Zolling down.
This is a little bit fatter because of increasement of details in lower frequencies and higher frequencies. It is extremely high ratio for a vocal like this. So we have trimmed peaks, brought up the vocals details, vocals energy. It is a little bit fatter on the low end, not too much of a low end, on almost, let's say, 200, 300 hertz. It is fatter and it sounds much better actually. The previous one was a little bit loose on lower frequencies. This one is full and punchy. So this challenge worked and I could get a great sound from ratio of 20:1 on a 1176. It is the version of LN, low noise, or I think they call it Blackie 2. And thank you Universal Audio, your plugins are the real deal. Most of them are the real deal, and I can't find something to criticize you about it. They are almost, each and every one of them are almost perfect and lovely. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.